Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now, on one of my videos, one of the unboxing, I think that was unboxing coins number 19. I unboxed some coins that included these ancient coins. These are all of them, the ones that I found on that lot. And now we will clean it, and it will be a long process though. It will be a while because I will dip it in olive oil. See, I have one big coin there that has been there for a few months now, I think, and it will clean the coins. It will be a long process actually. So I have on that video as well. I show some coins that I was cleaning on this olive oil, and these are the ones that are there. You can see the details are coming around. Oh, I can zoom it. Yep, here we go. Yeah, the details are there. It's just that these are not high grade coins. These are just low grade ones. But yeah, the image is there, and all we need to do is to do research and find out what they are. See, here we go. Probably need more dipping, but it's been there for months actually, so it's been there for a while. And here we go. It's been there for months. But like I said, it's just a low grade coins. But even so, it's ancient coins. So how many people have found these coins? All right, not as good as we're hoping, or I'm hoping, but yeah. So we'll dip this one and see the progress after a few months. I think we'll see if we can even identify these coins. See, the color is green because I think it is reacting on the green stuff that are stuck with the other coins that I did. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. See you, well, I don't know, a few months with this video. Right, thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.